Morning, America. How are we doing today? We are going to review today the Lanmodo Vast Pro Night Vision System. Yes, long word. That's what it is. It's a night vision system. Is it a dash cam? Well, yeah, it is that, but it's a night vision system. That's where they're marketing this thing. Is you can see in the night a lot better than you can with your own headlights or your own eyeballs. Okay, and it does work. I really wanted to show you the footage on this because that's the most important thing. Now, on regular dash cams. Okay, on a regular dash cam, the footage is really nice during the day. A lot of dash cams nowadays are 4K. 4K dash cam, and man, they're just really clear and whatever during the day. But come night, man, they really suffer at night. All you can see is just the headlight glow right on the highway right in front of you, but you can see with your eye quite a ways down the road, but the dash cam's not picking it up. This one, at night, a lot of times, it will look like daytime outside. I mean, it's just amazing the difference. Now, all right, let's go through some of the footage of. All right, now here's one I'm really wanting to show you. This is at dark. This is actually dark outside. The sun is below this horizon, and it looks like daytime. See the car coming at us has headlights on. See the car in front of me has taillights on, lights up ahead. Those are signs on the side of the road that are reflecting back at me. I mean, it really picks up light well. Here is the difference. This is a different dash cam. See the difference? Night and day difference, okay? Like I said, the sun is actually below this horizon, and it's pretty dark outside. I mean, I've got my headlights on and you can't even see the headlights yet, okay? All right, now this is nighttime. This is absolutely pitch black, dark night, okay? And there's no moon, there's overcast sky. It was about ready to rain. It is dark outside. If I turn the lights out, I wouldn't be able to see the road, period, okay? This is headlights only, and you can actually see the trees on the side of the road, and if there's a deer in the ditch, you'd be able to see it. I mean, it's quite amazing. Here is a regular dash cam on the same highway in the same spot, okay? Huge difference, okay? I mean, I'm really amazed at how well this thing amplifies what little light it has. Here's a rain. It was raining cats and dogs, and it's really hard to see for me with my eyes. As you can see, it's affecting the camera too. It's just bad night to be driving, okay? But the funny thing is, with my own eyes, I can't see the raindrops. With this thing, I can see the raindrops hitting the ground. It's really amazing.